Hello everyone, I'm Ivor. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna make clay art for the first time. And this is how I made the Pepe pondering in the pond. So this is my first time trying a clay art, and I bought 5 kilos of clay. And I just watched a few minutes of YouTube tutorials on how to make clay art, and it seems so easy because you just need to take a bunch of the clay and dip it in a little bit of water and mold it into the shape that you want. And I have and I have this acrylic paint that I can just paint it when it's dry. So the clay art that I'm going to do is the ashtray, even though I don't really smoke, but that seems like the easiest one to do. And it's not just an ordinary ashtray, it's a meme ashtray with Pepe frog on top of it. Let's go. How do you even take it out? Oh my god. What does it smell like? Smells like my fingers. Dip, dip. Dip a little bit of water. Ew. Looks like a cookie. Like, you know, they have this tool to make it flat and nice. I only have 2 hands, so that's why I'm just rolling, and all my... Look at my palm. It's so fun. So first of all, you need to make like a flat base. Oh shit, I'm so not prepared. You're supposed to cut out a round shape so you can just cut the edges out. I found this. It's like a kimchi bottle. I don't know why did I have this, but okay, I think you just... Ooh, it fits so well. So what I'm going to do now is push it down so I have a perfect circle ashtray shape. Why is it not? Matter of fact, this is actually mud with water, right? And they're just selling me on Shopee. Bro, you can get it on the street. I've been conned. Now I just gotta even it out. Oof. It's so fun. I love the evening part. Ooh. Even the edges. So, Krabby Patty! Okay, if any clay expert is watching this, please do not roast me because this is my first time doing it. I don't have the proper table set up and everything. The fucking clay, the remaining of the clay gets dry already and it turned into like small shit, whatever, sand or whatever. One thing I like about this clay art is that if you have any mistake on the clay, you can just use the water and like kind of undo it and correctify it. Correctify? Is that even a word? Anyways, oh my god, it's so uneven. Oh my god, it looks like poopy. Poop. This is going to be a stupid thumbnail. I eat poop. Anyways. You see that tool? I didn't get that tool, so I'm not sure how am I gonna do this thing. Ta-da! You guys, look at this. I made the Pepe frog face. Now I need to do the body. The more tummy like this. Look at the little tummy. So cute.
Is you blind?
So right now, look at this. Oh my god. So it basically is Pepe pondering in a pond. Moisturize Pepe's mouth like. Guys, I cannot do this anymore. I think I have to simply pass out. What the fuck? I swear to god. Ta-da! This is the clay that looks very hard right now after I left it on for 2 days to dry. But I think we can just cover up the flaws with some colors, the acrylic paint colors. So these are the paints that I use in my customized Air Force. I don't have a thing to mix my colors, so I'm just gonna use this plastic thing. Same thing as I did last time with my shoes, but this time I'm gonna paint it on clay. So I'm thinking it would last, I guess, because I'm not wearing out like my shoes. Wait, I forgot the most important thing is to wear a beret. Beret? Guys, I think this is a good idea to put a piece of cardboard at the bottom of your clay art that you're about to paint. See? When I'm done painting this side, I can just twist this like that. Like I want to paint here, all that. So it's like a 360 thing. And you can just mix the color here. It's so good. Oh. White. Oh. Ah! No! Okay, I think I'm finally done here, but for the legs part, I'm just gonna add on some floating petals. I think it's almost done. Now I just gotta add more cloud and cover up this green part that I did on the mistake. So this is the final look of my Pepe the Frog pondering in a pond. Not too bad for trying out clay art for the first time, right? Look. So during this pandemic, pick up a hobby, try clay art if you like it. I'll put the items that I got in the description box. And that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below and stay safe.